not come to those who fall asleep. The American dream.
Hi, and welcome back. Again, my name is Paul Gruber, and this is the Pronunciation Workshop's 10th training session. Today, we will work on more vowel sounds, the vowels oo, and eh. Now, a few sessions ago, we discussed front and back vowels. If you remember, the back vowels we discussed were oo, o, and ah. Oo as in boot, as in book, o as in boat, as in bought, and ah as in bot, which is a nonsense word. So let's talk about the first one now. Oo, oo. The oo sound is in the word move. Notice how my lips are puckered, tight, and forward. Ooh, move. If you don't bring your lips tight and forward, you are not going to make the correct sound. And if you don't do this right, the ooh will sound like and move will sound like muv. And that is no good. Practice these words with me, making sure your lips are coming forward and that you're getting that clear ooh sound. Here we go. Blue, booth, news, juice, loosen, ruler, food, choose, mood, moving, loop, new, tooth, smooth, pool, moon, shoes, zoo, grew, room. Good. Okay, now let's go over these sentences. The room in the school was very cool. Tuesday at noon in the studio. Viewing the moon on June nights. Good. Okay, now let's try this paragraph. Do you remember the woman who lived in a shoe? She hadn't a clue what to do when her family grew. Well, through your help, they are moving in June into 2 big boots. Very good. Now, at times, you know, English pronunciation can be very confusing. Here is one of those times. There are many words that are spelled with a double O, as we just went over. And in most of these words, the vowels are pronounced as oo. However, here's the confusing part. There are also many words that are spelled with a double O, but they are not pronounced with an oo vowel. They are pronounced as which is a lower vowel. Let me show you. The word food has a double O, and it's pronounced as ooh, food, okay? But the word foot is also spelled with a double O, but it is pronounced with a lower vowel sound. Foot. Food, foot. Ooh, food, foot. You hear that? There's a whole bunch of words spelled with that double O, but are pronounced with that lower vowel Let's practice some of those words now. Here we go. Foot, took, cook, shook, stood, good, look, book, wool, swoosh. Very good. Now, another word that gives many foreign speakers difficulty is the word wood, regardless of the spelling, as in it's made of wood, or would you help me, or the city of Hollywood, California. The vowel sound in wood is also a lower vowel. Same sound as in the word foot. Wood, foot. What makes it difficult for many people is the W at the beginning. I've seen many foreign speakers just drop that W sound. The word is not ood without a W, it's wood. Your lips need to be tight and forward, and you need to push out that W sound. Would, like that. Now, say this sentence with me. Here we go. Would you please order the wood from Hollywood? Very good. Okay, notice also that the word good has the same vowel sound as the word wood and foot. Very good. Okay? Let's practice these sentences with the oo and the vowel sounds. To help you out, all the words that have high oo sounds appear in red. Here we go. He took a good look under the hood and found a flute. Julie enjoys good books after school. He put his foot in the new boot. She took her students to the brook to wash their shoes. We pulled him out of the swimming pool. The fool ate until he was full. Very good. Now let's do a new vowel sound. Let's cover the sound. Is in the word egg. Okay, it's made with the front of the tongue low. Listen carefully and try to copy that sound. Egg, egg. Okay, let's go over some words with that sound in them. Here we go. Egg, get, friend, next, entrance, better, healthy, lettuce, wrench, spread, best, ready, every, red, exit, check, fence, headset, necklace, wealth. Now let's go over these sentences. Resting on the edge of the bed. 10 letters from the enemy. Dennis will enter the festival. The message was given to the chef. Very good. Okay, now let's try this. Hello again, friends. Let's do a weather check. Well, whoever said temperatures are getting better, better get ready to spend a wet weekend in Tennessee. Great. You know, generally vowels take a longer time to master, but if you hear the sounds I'm giving you and understand the concepts, eventually you will be saying all of these vowels correctly. Remember, practicing does help. Well, that's it for today's session. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. I'm Paul Gruber for the Pronunciation Workshop.